It's a new day, yes it is.
Gentlemen, there are some things in life you sit back and you know they just feel right. This just feels right. The New Day return to their home brand of SmackDown. The energy still lingering in New York from the amazing Sunday. Kofi Kingston, the New Day, and the entire WWE Universe experience. There could not be a more deserving superstar. His family at ringside joining the celebration for the new.
Takurop, bukurop, nornokok, haja salam musuh kamu kasih. Tanah mesra maninda bengo angting ngapailia. Tamu nikahke, janjinan nogo angtang kaya ekdin saja, hangmase. Referee bese janjinar alu paklai tonglashu. Apa no janjinar nona angkok thaje sana musungo. Alu apa ani se. Neng amana tini neng alu rupanya rupaya sari amase. Kintu pakok thaje mudunar de. Min berite kintu na thok. Apa no min berinya kan ni beri amu cek jana ka neng tini alu rupaya kan ni berinya angtin thagi no. Kogiti hanya. Apa no nengtini deska pano metu nengtini pama penyang nani deska pano alur penyer pen mas mar penin nengtini alur deska pano.
Ini kan citra ke pala cera.
Tamu kok sini nabo.
Ini kan citra ke pala cera.
Tamu.
Kita wa ngasal bay cuma ni traktor bay. An mah bisik bater kemang seman. Asal gari korang kata saya. Ini korang masih kena tunggu gari korang ke kena dia. Nunggu cia tengok lagi sakar tengok ni.
Nengkela cera ani bello titi nengkelang mana. Nengkela lagi sakar.
Kenapa lah? Dor soro. Maninda bengo bin mokol bus kagos akban nong mokol bus nong bono yang mesin telang jak. Bapak hek sarak kena tak?
Takur buku tuh to. Hani mesin tuh anang tuh nono sakar le. Bongke. Referee pura juga tu. Apro ni nar thangira. Apro.
Nembak sama saja referee juga tu kena.
Alu pakai paklai to. Tahu lu orang lu kunubus kan kena aja saya kata na.
Logang seman dah ketam sayang nasa.
Tamu kena apro tamu ke juga saya referee cari.
Nembak sayang
Lah
nasa.
alu tini mas mar na itu nano.
Siapa aja kang nonton lalu pulang nasa.
Neng tini alu ria kan ni beri noko. Taban thang ni bus kau lo koi lang na.
Tamu?
Anak kena sorok sikla kelang thang noko na.
Bawa ketam buang hakar lebih saja. Ayo nukan khosan ni. Bin bisa kirja.
Ikan neng tini alu rina deh ria cari ya mesu tini.
Tam nana alu ni tengah ngoleh di siapa aja nggak.
Ikan neng tini alu ria kan ni beri nang tini koi lang na.
Neng dharma kang sidra kan beri kong nang toko kong
Tamu ni mereka kena aja dah kesana nyawa.
Nana tini last ke bui kelang Dua kali sana kan, tuh ni.
Ikan ni tini bulannya hecile.
Bulannya deh.
Acio.
Tang lekna deh.
Ikan batai cak sazam koksa. Ini referee kasus juga, an referee yang tahu nuhuna. Referee, ada.
Person to gain pinfall or submission in this match wins. And Orton goes right after John Cena, Kingston after Randy Orton. Here we go. King, any strategy for any one of these individuals?
Well, I don't know if you're going to see, well, possibly Cena and Kofi Kingston might form some sort of alliance, but I don't think there's going to be anybody that's going to trust themselves partnering up with Randy Orton in this match. And here you see it already.
Well, Cena and Kingston can get rid of Orton. It's a one-on-one matchup, a little more manageable for both. And remember the personal issues between Cena and Orton and Kingston and Orton. John Cena and Randy Orton really having the rivalry of the year last year. And Randy Orton has unleashed the side of Kofi Kingston we never knew existed.
Kingston and Cena lying in wait, just waiting for Orton to get back to his feet.
This is great strategy.
Not great for Randy Orton.
Yeah, but if you take Orton out, again, it's a one-on-one matchup.
Mike Tyson to just make all of these three guys enter the Royal Rumble and win their opportunity to wrestle for the title at WrestleMania.
Yeah, Sheamus said, quote,
the Royal Rumble off.
I should take the Rumble off. He also called Tyson a washed-up champion. as Orton is eliminated, and now we are down to 2. I should say eliminated from this juncture of the match. Kofi Kingston left alone for Cena, with Cena in the ring. Triple threat rules. First man to gain pinfall or submission will win and advance to the Royal Rumble event.
Well, I think this is wise on the part of Randy Orton. He's thrown out of the ring. He's in no hurry to get back into the ring. Let's see what Kofi Kingston will do with John Cena one-on-one.
Well, this is Kingston's opportunity. He's stepping up.
Oh, from the top turnbuckle!
There he is. The WWE Champion Sheamus, who will find out tonight who his next opponent will be. The Viper slithering in the ring from behind. And to your point, King.
Ever the opportunist, Randy Orton.
Who will face Sheamus for the WWE title at the Royal Rumble event? Oh, did you see the look in Orton's eyes? A vile, disgusting look in the eyes of Orton before he delivered the DDT. Look out from behind.
Five-knuckle shuffle.
Kingston, here's the
Is it
cover.
enough for
Kofi
Cena?
Kingston, is it Kingston's time? No. Now it's Kingston building momentum. And John Cena dropped toe hold. Remember, submissions count, STF, Kingston taps, Cena moves on. Kingston taps, Cena moves on. He's got him. Will Kingston tap to the STF?
He's gonna have to.
Orton's out of it.
Oh, from the top turnbuckle! Big DDT!
It's Kofi Kingston, who's been embroiled in such an intense personal rivalry with Orton. Wow. And look at that off the backbreaker, John Cena from out of nowhere, and John Cena's rolling. You got to admire the resilience of John Cena.
Well, John Cena had a few moments to basically get some R. Oh, no.
Orton and Cena,
There goes that momentum.
13 times between them world champions. Kofi Kingston with the SOS. Will he get his first WWE title opportunity? No.
Wow.
Kicked out by Orton at 2.
How did Randy Orton kick out of that? Amazing. Ooh, speaking of kicks. I don't think there was any doubt that Kofi Kingston was on the verge of tapping out.
John Cena lost the WWE title to Sheamus in a tables match last month. He wants to regain the championship back. He is on a mission.
Orton may regret saving Kingston. Orton may wind up losing this match himself to John Cena. Attitude adjustment.
Oh, Kofi Kingston saving the matchup. Now tries to wear down the pressure man, John Cena. Drop kick to the jaw of Cena. Kofi Kingston, the controlled frenzy, looking to ride that wave into the Rumble. There's the boom drop. Can Kofi do it? Can Kofi Kingston do it here? Can he connect and send himself to Atlanta? Trouble in Paradise connects! Oh, but it was so solid that now it's Kingston building momentum. And John Cena dropped toe hold. Remember, submissions count, STF, Kingston taps, Cena moves on. Kingston taps, Cena moves on. He's got him. Will Kingston tap to the STF?
He's gonna have to.
Orton's out of it. Kingston's got to make it to the ropes, so this one's over. It'll be Cena going to the Rumble. It's DiBiase. What? Referee's view obstructed. Never saw the hit and run by DiBiase. So much for the internal strife within Legacy.
Yeah, maybe there is no trouble in Legacy's paradise.
Randy Orton. Feeling it. Goes for the RKO. Connects. Kofi Kingston, jaw and face planted in the center of the ring. Kofi Kingston trying to take advantage of it here in the early going of this triple threat matchup.
As I was saying earlier, Sheamus tried to get Mike Tyson to just make all of these guys enter the Royal Rumble and win their opportunity to wrestle for the title at WrestleMania.
Yeah, Sheamus said,
Voted the Royal Rumble
I
off.
should take the Rumble off. He also called Tyson a washed-up champion. As Orton is eliminated, and now we are down to 2. I should say eliminated at this juncture of the match. Kofi Kingston left alone for Cena.
Let's go for Flair's head, and Flair gonna come to the arm for the dirtiest player in the game. No! Blow with the referee down. The dirtiest move in the game.
Orton's thrown out of the ring. He's in no hurry to get back into the ring. Let's see what Kofi...
the WWE champion Sheamus, who will find out tonight who is...
Wait, that's Nikki Bella.
Yeah, this
Good
is
eye, John.
much more like it.
Here comes Nikki Bella, John Cena's girlfriend.
What's good? No! What? No! What the hell? China! What? They just delivered a low blow! What is top turnbuckle? Big DDT! Unloading on John Cena!
The matches continue, though the referee is down.
And there's the pin! John Cena wins! Here's your winner, the WWE Champion, John Cena!
Gotta be a misdemeanor. It could be a felony. What tickets are going ever? I'll write you a ticket too, Tom. Hey, this is what we could see happen at WrestleMania. Hey, I'll write you a ticket too, movie star. Well, Thunder, you're absolutely right. This is what we could see at WrestleMania. John Cena, Nikki Bella against The Miz and Maurice in mixed tag team action. Goes down in.